This problem is not really a closure, but it is kind of important for us to take a look at. It says, use the following table to calculate the markup or markdown rate. Show your work. Is this relationship between the original price and the selling price proportional? Why or why not? All right, so first of all, we need to figure out if this is considered a markup or a markdown problem. And honestly, you just need to take a look at your original price to your selling price. If I am at $750 and I'm going to $140, that means that I am going down. If I have $1,500 and $1,200, what's going to happen is that I'm going down. If I'm at $1,250 and going down to $1,000, I went down. If I went from $1,000 to $800, I went down. If I have $750 going down to $600, I am going down. So therefore, this is considered a markdown problem. Now, just a reminder of how to find your constant of proportionality. K is always going to be equal to y over x. So usually your right side will be your y and the right side will be your x. So what you need to do is that you need to test all of these ratios out to determine if you have a proportional relationship. Even if one of them is not part of the pattern, it is not considered a proportional relationship. That is why it is super, super important that you go through all of these to make sure that it is going to be the same number. So if I do 1,400 divided by 1,750, you should get 0.8. 1,200 divided by 1,500, you should get 0.8. 1,000 divided by 1,250, that should be 0.8. 800 divided by 1,000, that should be 0.8. And 600 divided by 750, that also equals to 0.8. So to our first question, is the relationship between the original price and the selling price proportional? Yes, it is proportional because there is a constant of proportionality. So what exactly does that 0.8 mean? Change that 0.8 into a percent, which is going to be 80%. So let's really think about this. If your original price is this amount and your selling price is this, did you honestly save 80%? No, you did not save 80% because half of 1,750 is definitely not lower than that. All right, so that means this is not how much you save. This 80% is how much you actually paid. That means 20% is the amount of your discount. Let's get a look at these problems right here. It says that Anastasia went shopping at Swords R Us and decided to purchase new foil blades for 25% off the original price. If she buys the sword today, she will receive an additional 5% off. If the blades were originally priced at $150, how much did she pay with her discount? These are marked down problems because you are having a sale and you actually have a double discount right here. Please make sure that you are applying them appropriately. I have SP is equal to 100% minus the markdown rate times whatever the original price is going to be. By this point, I'm pretty sure you guys know this formula already, so I'm not going to continue writing this down. All right, I am going to have SP is equal to 100 minus 25 is equal to 75% times 150. 0.75 times 150 is going to equal to 112.50 here. Now you need to apply the 5% discount. Equals to 100% minus 5% is equal to 90. 5% of $112.50. Change to 0.95 times 1125. You are going to get 112.5 times 0.95. That equals to $106.88. All right, so I rounded up a little bit there. Over here, it says that Mel's Cotton buys skis from a manufacturer for a wholesale of $57. The store's markup rate is 50%. What is the price of Mel's Cotton charges its customers for skis. This is a markup rate. That means I add 100% plus whatever my markup is going to be. Selling price is going to be 100 plus 50, which is $150, times our original price of the item, which is 57. SP is then going to equal to 1.50 times 57 here. I want 1.5 times 57, and that equals to 85.50 as the cost of those skis.